Both of these numbers are true. G2 found 52% of buyers see payback inside 6 months. Gartner asked 5,700 customers, and 64% would rather companies did not use AI for support at all. The gap is not the model, it is execution. So this covers what you are actually turning on, why it goes wrong, what it costs, and the order to roll it out in. 4 decisions carry all of it. Which tier you switch on, from routing up to full autonomy. What the AI does when it is not confident. Which billing model your volume runs through. And the order you roll it out in. Get those 4 right, and the tool matters less than you think. Start here, because 2 teams saying they use AI for support can mean completely different things. 5 distinct things hide behind one term. Routing reads the ticket and sends it to the right queue. Copilot drafts a reply that an agent edits and sends. Confidence auto-reply sends on its own, but only above a score you set. An autonomous agent pulls account data, takes an action, and closes the ticket. And analytics and QA never touch a customer at all. Here is what each tier returns. AI routing buys a faster first response and kills manual triage, and it is live in 1 to 2 weeks. Agent Copilot cuts handle time 15 to 30% and takes days. Confidence auto-reply resolves 50 to 65% of Tier 1 after a 2 to 4 week pilot. An autonomous agent reaches 65 to 80% and takes 4 to 8 weeks. Copilot is the safest thing to switch on first. Every reply is a draft a human reads before it goes anywhere, so no automated message reaches a customer during the learning period. And the quality of those suggestions exposes your knowledge gaps immediately, which is the work most teams skip. Now, the part vendor pages leave out because customers are unusually clear about it. The complaints are specific. Answer Connect asked 6,000 adults, and 83% prefer to speak with a human. 51% say the AI struggles to understand what they need. 35% say it gives them inaccurate information. That last one is the dangerous one because it means the AI answered when it should not have. Berkeley's California Management Review put a name to it this April. No easy path to a human is the single biggest irritant in support automation. Customers found workarounds, repeating speak to a human, or even chicken nuggets until the bot gave up and passed them on. That is the loop, and it comes from AI deployed to deflect rather than to resolve. The fix is structural. A ticket arrives in the help desk you already run. The AI reads it, with history and your knowledge behind it. Then, it scores its own confidence against a threshold you set. Above the threshold, it answers. Below it, the reply queues as a draft for an agent. And at any point, the customer is one step from a human. The second failure is the black box. Ask any vendor one narrow question. When the AI gets an answer wrong, what does an agent do about it? And how long until the correction is live? On older setups, the answer is a retraining run or a support ticket. So every mistake becomes a project and they pile up. On a system built for it, a correction node applies immediately. Which brings us to price, and the surprise is that the vendor is not the variable. Hold everything constant. 3,000 tickets, 10 agents, 40% resolved by AI. Per seat lands at $1,650 fixed, the same bill whether the AI helped or not. Per resolution is $1,800 on top of seats, and the vendor defines what resolved means. Per ticket is $1,200 at 40 cents, though you pay on the ones handed to a human too. Enterprise quotes land around $2,500 to $2,900, and you cannot compute that before a sales cycle. So the rule. On that identical month, the cheapest shape is $1,200 and the most expensive is $2,900, with the same tickets and the same team. The gap between billing models is wider than the gap between products. And for context, Gartner puts a self-service contact at $1.84 against $13.50 for a live agent. Here is the order that separates the teams who get results from the ones who make things worse. Step 0. Before the AI can reply to anyone, run it over the last few months of already resolved tickets and read what it would have said. You get a resolution rate on your own ticket mix instead of a vendor benchmark, plus a list of the categories where it is confidently wrong. A vendor who cannot show you that is asking you to test in production. Phase 1 runs weeks 1 to 4, and every output stays a draft. The point is not deflection, it is calibration. 3 numbers gate the next phase. Draft acceptance rate by category. Edit distance, meaning how much agents actually changed. And rejection rate, which tells you the topics it keeps missing. Phase 2, weeks 5 to 12. Take only the categories where Phase 1 acceptance was highest and turn auto-reply on for those. password resets, order status, shipping, return policy. Everything else stays in draft mode. Kim Simpson at Gridwise hit 73% of Tier 1 requests resolved in month 1 because they knew which categories were ready before switching anything on. Phase 3 is a loop rather than a launch. Escalations from low confidence replies show you the knowledge gaps. The AI flags topics it is consistently unsure about. New categories appear as the product and the season change, and they need classifying. Teams with the best long-term numbers treat this as a system with feedback, not a switch. 3 things to hold on to. Simulate on old tickets before a customer sees a single reply. A confidence threshold, not a deflection target, decides whether the AI answers or drafts. And the same month costs $1,200 to $2,900, depending only on how you are billed. That is where eesel AI fits. It connects to the help desk you already run, including Zendesk, Freshdesk, and HubSpot, and learns from your help center and past tickets. Simulation replays it on those tickets before anything is live, so you see the real resolution rate first. Confidence routing is the default. Sure answers send, unsure ones queue as drafts. Gridwise resolved 73% of Tier 1 in month 1. Pricing is 40 cents per ticket the AI handles, with no seat fees, no platform fee, and no monthly minimum. Start free with $50 of usage and run the simulation on your own tickets first. Link in the description.